In today's video, we're going to check out another product by ihoment. Today we're going to look at the LED lighting for TV. Let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome to Tech with Brett, where I help tech work for you. Now, one of the reasons I was really interested in checking out this lighting kit is it has a really unique feature where it has a camera displayed on top of the TV, and then it can change the lights depending on what is actually shown on your TV. So let's quickly show you how to get it set up, and then we're gonna go through all of the features that are available. I wanna give a shout out to ihoment. They are sponsoring today's video. I will leave a link to the products in the description below so you can go to their GoV website and check out this and other products that they have. Also check out my other digital photo frame that I reviewed previously, and you can do that in the pop-up on screen. So let's get into it. So right here in the box, you have everything that you need to get it set up. Here is the control box that everything will plug into. Here it does come with a list of instructions that I'll briefly go over, but pretty simple to get set up. Here you will need these to calibrate the device. And then here's a ruler to make sure that you measure out where the camera goes. In today's video, I will be using the 46 to 55 inch model, but you can also get the 55 to 60 inch model. And then here is the camera that will look at your TV to send the signal to the lights of what color they need to produce. And then you have the power cord that will need to be plugged in. This cannot be plugged in via a USB into the TV. And then here is the string of lights. Don't eat this. Now this does have the 3M adhesive already, and it's already set up, makes it really easy to get this installed. So let's pull the TV down and check it out. First thing to do is to turn off your TV. And then we are going to remove these strategically placed LED lights that I previously put on here. You can check out my review of those in the link above. These were the $10 all mirror lights, and I am using 2 sets. Now that those have been removed, I am going to use some rubbing alcohol and clean off the back of the TV where I'm going to put the new lights. I learned this trick from Tampa Tech on his video about these lights. He is the go-to TV repair guy, also knows tons about cars. Make sure you check out his channel in the link above. Now I'm going to place on the LED strips starting from the back right of the TV. These are super easy to align with the TV. You just place them on, and then I would press down so that they had a nice firm stick. And then I just went through and did the top of the TV and then finished on the left side of the TV. Then I'm going to go through and give it one more good press to make sure that it sticks for a very long time. Now the next step is to measure out the camera. So you are going to want to use the little ruler that it came with here and find the exact center of your TV. And then you will place the camera right there on the top. Then you place these red non-magnetic strips onto the TV to align and calibrate the camera. You will then plug in the power into the control box as well as the LED strip and the camera. You will see the LEDs turn on, and then you can just place this on the back of the TV right in the middle. Once the camera is on and the lights are plugged in, it will begin to calibrate, and when it turns green, it is complete. Now we are ready to head into the application and check out all of the features that are available. To control the lights, you will need to download the ihoment Light application available on Android or iOS, and then you will connect to it through Bluetooth. Once you open the app, you quickly have the brightness settings right here. You have 3 options down here where you can change the music, video, and the color. And so first, let's check out the music options. So when you are using the music feature, it will pulse the lights depending on the music that the control box hears, and it will change depending on what rhythm that you have set here. And then you can also specify the light color that it chooses. Now this will not use the camera from the TV, but it will use a preset color that you have chosen to pulse with the lights. Now let's check out the video portion. So this is when the camera will look at your TV screen and change the lights depending on what is shown. So here you can have it show a part where it's going to actually just choose the outside colors and then it will change depending on that, or you can have it choose all, which it's going to choose one select color and display that behind the TV. And down here you have the option for a dynamic and a mild color, so that will just adjust how intense the lights are behind the TV with the color on the screen. So here we're going to take a look at a few of the different slow-mo guy videos. So here you can see that when it was a white screen, it had the white color, and as this blue is filling the space, it turned more blue. And now we can see a bunch of different colors as they go through the screen. You can see the lights change depending on the fire color that is going through. So it's very quick to interact. It can't do all the colors at once, but it is able to do a good job of reproducing the color quickly that it finds onto the back of the TV. Now let's take a look at using a movie, and here we will be using Ant-Man, and so that you can see when there is a lot of action on screen, how it actually interacts with the environment. And the camera will find different colors that it can use, and it will display it depending on if you are using the all color or the part color. And last, we have the color option. So with this option, you just choose the specific color that you would like to have behind the lights. Now this is something that I'll probably use the most, as I do like having the blue color right behind the TV, but you can go through, specify the colors that are here, or you can select a wide range of color by using the color picker to find the exact color that you would like to use. When using this feature, it really shows how bright and vibrant these LEDs are. They're much brighter than the LEDs that I was using previously on this TV. I really like how you can quickly select a feature. It would be nice if you had the option to have it strobe through the different colors that are available, but right now you can only go through and select the specific color that you would like to use. I'm really impressed by the way these look, and I am very happy with the turnout. Now let's test one of the other reasons that I really wanted to check out these lights. So right now I have it set to video mode while the Chromecast is displaying different pictures. Here I'm also choosing a part and going between part and all. So when I choose part, it shows all these different colors that it's picking up from the TV. And when I go to all, it will just choose the one color to display on the background. But it makes the background look really like it's entering into the room, showing off the colors all around the outside of the TV. When you do turn off the TV and the camera does not sense any color on the TV anymore, it will turn off the LED lights. So you do not need to go and unplug them or go into the app and turn off the power. It will just automatically do it. Now last, let's check out a comparison between the ihoment LED and the new Minger LED lights right here. Now first, I am zooming in into the ihoment light video just to make them line up correctly, but there is also a little refresh rate issue on the lighting, so that's why you see it flickering. It doesn't actually flicker in real life, but here you can see how much more vibrant the Minger LED lights are. Now, just depending on the lighting that I had in the room, these did change on how bright they were, but overall I'm very impressed with how bright that these LEDs can get. So one of the main goals of getting this lighting kit is so that when my Chromecast changes the picture in the background, it would actually adjust the light behind it, and so it would all kind of give this cool effect. I have liked how that looked. It was a little dim though once I turned on all the lights because there's so much light in the room. It didn't make it as vibrant in the back. Now you guys shouldn't have an issue with any of that if you are in a proper video setting with the TV being the only thing on and the lights in the background. But I do really like how when I choose the custom color, it is a very bright and vibrant color. So here you can see when I change those, it definitely is very bright, way brighter than what I had before, the $10 ihoment kit. Actually, I had two of those back there. So I'm really happy with how bright these are. I like those music features, and the video features were pretty cool as well. One option I would like to see added to the application is the ability to fade through all the colors. So it just does a slow fade. I can have my lights do that. I could have the old TV lights do that. So that would be really nice to have added into this application. But overall, really impressed with what it can do. And I'm really happy to see the impact and the change that it has back there on my backdrop. If you have any further questions about this product, let me know in the comments below. And if you would like to see any of my other reviews, make sure you check out the playlist over here on the side. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.